Alright guys, so here goes nothing. We got 13 of the first round basketed from the same spot I released Bebop from yesterday. It's about a half mile straight over them trees. I don't know if birds can navigate off of landmarks, but that water tower is why I picked this spot. Let's give them a minute to settle down. Here's goes nothing. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, this is the moment you guys been training for. You've been up and going for a while. It's time to see what you guys are made of. Home is straight that way. Dodge the wires, follow Bebop, you guys will be fine. Go! Come on. Alright, good luck guys. Alright. Let's throw the basket in the truck. Let's go on and wait for them. There they are. About a minute behind me getting home. Good job, guys. Good job. Hell yeah.